Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Tea with V Baby, the Diva universe. So today I'm going to be actually doing my scrapbook, Dreambook, with you guys. I have not been doing this for like I think 3 years. I still need to get a small camera to print all the pictures because I have so many pictures, but I also have so many things of when I was there that I want to use for scrap. So this is a lot of traveling of all of the places. You know, you guys know I've mentioned that I went to I travel alone in my I mentioned that I travel alone in my previous video. Okay, this is Spain. And I have like accumulated all of these objects to fill my scrapbook. But the thing is, I never done it. Oh my god. Okay, this is one of them that I have to do. This is another one I have to check still. And so today we're gonna do that. Like I did so this was weird. Okay, I traveled to so many places, so I've collected of so many places. Valencia. Okay, this is different. So for each one, what I'll be doing now is actually putting each of them in a category. This is from all my affirmations and things, but from a previous manifestation book, so I'm gonna put it all in there. So what I'm gonna do is just fix all of this. To do is fill up my dream book. So this is a dream book where I actually started to think of it as a manifestation book, where I put like all my visualization of things that I want to accomplish. But then later on along the line, I've started filling it with also the things that I have accomplished, like the manifestations, the travels, and you know, all of the things. But I've just put the stuff in here and I never finish it. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna vamp it a bit, you know, give it a bit more life, put life back into it. And even my creative journey, oh my gosh, you see, oh my god, I have so many things to stick yet. Okay, so I need to sort all of this out. I think this is all sorted, but I'm gonna check. This is not sorted, baby. Okay, so you see, we have more things to sort out. Oh my gosh, I have more things to sort. Wow. Okay, we have a lot of work, honey. So this is gonna be such a fun video. I don't even know what this is, but okay. Costa Brava. Oh, this is when I went to Costa Brava. Oh my god, girl. This is for a festival, Golden Circle. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is my Nicki Minaj. When I went to Nicki Minaj, oh my gosh, Gag City, baby. Oh, it was so good. Okay, this is my flight. So enjoy the ride. How blessed I am that I get to travel. It's beautiful. We finally got done. So as you can see, I only have like the gifts left over and a portion still of like Madrid. It's a lot because like your girl was there for a few months. Now, as you can see now, it's like so full, but still there's so many blank pages in the back here. But let me show you guys what we did. So we're gonna start at the beginning where you have about me, traveling, my ambitions, moving. Then we have COVID lesson. I put it with this dark picture. I feel like it just suits the whole. So here we have Antwerp, so that's beautiful. So I like this, but the thing is when you print on paper, it starts fading. So that's why I want to print with an Instapix or something like that. for the pictures of this book, of this dream book. This is just a drawing and a few things that I did at the beginning of my MBO and stuff. And then here we have the Latin festival. So here I'm gonna put a bunch of picture. I went all 3 days and it was like super crazy. And then also like concerts that I went. Here we have a little bit of the mood of 2000. You know, I was obsessed with that era. And the Millennium Barbie. I'm a fucking black Barbie, pretty face, perfect body, pink seats in the Rari, always fuck 'em like I'm sorry. So here we have pictures of me and my brother going to this museum. It was really fun, so I wanted to make a small cute collage, and I did. And then here is more picture. Then there is my graduation. I am #1. Pictures with my brother and tutors. And then here we have pictures of the early telenovelas of the 2000 that inspired my style. I really love those Latin Colombian telenovelas. It was really good. Another about me that I did for school, so I printed, put it there. Here is a few more of my favorite telenovelas. I think there is RBD here, Las Muñecas de la Mafia. You know, I used to love this. So this is my trip for Mallorca. So here I'm gonna print, I put the framework for how I want the pictures to look like when I print them, and put it in here. And then we have more spaces because I have a lot of pictures of Mallorca. So here we have just a dream artsy section, because I was obsessed with this surrealism artist. I forgot his name, but I reference him a lot, so this is why I wanted to, like, you know, have this area here. And then we have Costa Brava, Tosa de Mar. So I have pictures here that I need to put for this. This is not enough space, honestly, because I have so much picture of this place. So I'm gonna fill this with the cave pictures, because that was like the experience. And then more Colombian reference, especially the food, the culture, the music, because your girl is from there and we love me some vallenato, baby. And this is just a collage that I did because I realized that I'm heavy influenced by this style. So I put all the reference pictures of these telenovelas that I loved, and here are my personal outfit, because you know I'm that girl, so I had to do something. And here is another the same thing, so pictures of the telenovelas, and then a picture of my outfit. Like, girl, you can see where the inspiration came from. This is dream work of like my desires and things that I have accomplished. Another one. These are all printed with my printer back then, so it's like, you know, it looks like it looks, so it's whatever. And this is another one. So I love these because these are like visual boards, but even though I'm not seeing them every day, it's just like remembering that I'm manifesting this. So here goes YouTube and fashion, because you know I'm all about it. My jewelry business that I fucking love so much, and it's amazing. And then we have a little bit more. These are more like manifestations and stuff, so I really love this. So I left this blank here because I was like, maybe I could fill it in with more manifestations, or you know, I'll see, I don't know. And here we start with Antwerp. When I went with my brother, I made this cute collage, actually for my YouTube, I think. And here we have the trip of Venice, when I went to Venice for the Biennale art. It was amazing, so I'm gonna print a few pictures for this. And then we have the VIP of the Palmundo Festival, which is kind of crazy that it's separate, but whatever. And here is like graduation shows. So here are a picture that I got from the graduation, and because I got so many cards, I don't want to print them and miss the information, so I actually put them in here. So here I have a bunch of like small business cards of students showcasing their work, but also like their information to work with them, email, etc. So that's really nice. I have that there because I've worked at the graduation shows, so I always see students work. This is like for my own my portfolio night, so we had to do like these small business cards. This was my first attempt. I know it's terrible, you know, but this is progress, baby. And then I have here like this picture because I love it, and behind I have a bunch of questions that I've learned to ask during a creative process, and just I am the artist, and then just more drawings and stuff. And then here we go to Rome. So this is my trip to Rome. Here I have like like a, how do you call this, like a picture or whatever, and then, you know, so that it stays good. I'm gonna put a few pictures of Rome here, you know, and whatever. Here another one of Rome, because all of this, and this is a whole map of all the places that I walked to, and you know, the direction when I stayed at this specific place at home. It was very nearby of all, it was walking distance, so it was quite amazing. And then we have the graduation show again that I worked, so I have got a few stickers. That year was the year that they were, you know, solidarity with the teachers. And then here we have a bunch of, like, again, business cards of graduate students, and just tickets of movies, because the school that I went to also does filming and stuff. It's a creative school. So this is gonna be for Valencia, because I went to Valencia for one day by train, and it was super fun, just like a date for myself by the beach. And this is also of Segovia, when I was in Segovia in Madrid. And this is for my concert at Nicki Minaj. I saw Nicki Minaj for the first time, so as a Barb, we represent, baby. And then here we also have more of Amsterdam to Rome, so I'm gonna put it again. Faro Blanco. So I'm also gonna put here Venice, because I went to Venice also, and aside I went to the Biennale but also explored the city, so I'm gonna mix both of them. And here we have Costa Brava, because I have this picture, so I put it here. It's a bit crushed, but you know, it's whatever. We wanted to keep it cute still, so I glue the envelope and put it in, and then I'll put some pictures here. Wait, I have a space just for the pictures, and then I have this space. I think I'm gonna glue these stuff here, because these are just like aspirations and things. Lifestyle, you already know, girl. And then we have again the one of this is when I went to Tossa de Mar, Girona. Wonderful. And yeah, I wanted to have this also here. And then this is gonna be just for Madrid, like this is gonna be the intro. So I put all of these flowers, which were flowers that I got when I was leaving the place, and it stayed at a home, someone's home, and then the flower died, so I wanted to keep the rest just to put it in my scrapbook. Yeah, because I'm like that. And this I got at event there, so I just sticked it there. So this is gonna be just the intro of Madrid, because I have a lot of things. So I think I'm gonna fill this up with just Madrid, because there is a lot that I done, and then I will close this book with Madrid. And I have here, so I want to take my time to do this, so I have here all of the stuff, and by that time I want to be able to print the pictures, because I have, if I'm not mistaken, more than 3,000 pictures of just Madrid. So I think this is gonna fill it up. So this is like my little scrapbook thingy, manifestations, dream work, things that I have accomplished, you know. It's kind of cute. I love it. It's filled with life memories, and it's like a photo book, but it's just in form of scrap. And I think I'm gonna move on next to photo book, but I'm gonna make it so much more better. Like, it's not like I have this whole idea, I cannot wait to share with you guys. So stay tuned for my last shot of this. It's gonna be when I do the one for Madrid, and then we close this off, and then I can show you guys the new one, because I'm gonna be designing and printing that one, because this one is just what I bought, and I did this in the early beginning of my studies, so you know, I wasn't as skilled as I am right now to do something even more grander. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys in the next one.